Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the time and date on any smartwatch. I have here several smartwatches including series 7, 8, 9 and 10, T900 Ultra and Hk9 Pro Max. As you can see, the time on my watch and my phone are not matching. The first method is to change the time and date manually on the smartwatch by going into the menu and settings of the watch. Unfortunately, this will not work for most smartwatches. As you can see, this method is not available on this smartwatch, so you will need to change the time and date on the watch using the method number 2. The second method is to connect the watch to your phone using the recommended application for the smartwatch, and the time and date will update automatically on the watch. The watch needs to be charged, turned on and not connected to any other smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. The next step, which is the most important step, is to find out which application the watch is using. You can find out which application the watch is using by checking on the watch box, instruction manual, or by scanning the QR code on the smartwatch. For example, this smartwatch is using the Fit Pro application. The Fit Pro application is the most used application for smartwatches. If your smartwatch is using any other application like Fit, Hryfine, iWatch Pro or Laxasfit, you can find videos on my channel or in the description below on how to connect these smartwatches to your phone and set the time and date. Download the recommended application, for example Fit Pro, and follow the steps shown in the video to connect the watch to your phone. As you can see, the smartwatch has been connected to my phone and the time and date have been updated successfully. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.